I'm in love with the cold, cold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using the Touch Color Hair Intense dye. It's a permanent dye. I'm going to use it to dye my hair jet black. So I know that my hair looks black, but that's just the camera. It actually is dark brown and I don't like the color. Like even when my hair is clean, it makes it have this dirty look. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're just going to dye that. Yeah. So I have no idea what I'm doing in my hair. Last time I actually dyed my hair, that was about 6 years ago. So don't judge me guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. But hey, we're gonna read the instruction and let's get straight down to business. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial or video or whatever this is. Yes, let's get straight into the video. Yeah guys, I'm back. So I just finished rinsing up my hair and deep conditioning it. So now I'm just going to style it with my regular wash and go. I'll be using my leave-in conditioner from Revlon and my Eco Styler gel. So that's basically all I'll be doing. So if you want to see a details tutorial on how I style my hair, I'll leave a link in the description box. But I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.